Any song at all, it applies. So El Shaddai, for instance, let's apply to it. Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Alex Quason, and I guarantee you I'm going to take my time to break everything down step by step, note by note. You all know my number one goal is to help you become an excellent piano player. So let's delve right into it. Now, if you want to sound incredibly good using these Driftone chords, you will need to be able to play them in all 12 keys. So let's start in the key of C. Here is the C major chord. The first thing you want to do is to invert it. Remove the C to the top. That C stays in place the entire time because it's our melody note. Next, take these two notes and lower them. We are going to drift these notes down chromatically. When I say drift, I mean we are literally moving the notes down by a half step, almost like sliding it apart. Step 3, we are going to keep this downward motion going 4 times. So we literally drift this notes downwards like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start with the first note. Like that. If you want to add some extra flavor to it, you can use the left hand and then play these notes. These notes, that note, that note, that note, right. So together it sounds like this. You get it? If you like, you can also add these notes to it at the end, so it sounds like this. You see it again. Just these 3 steps. Now you can apply this to any note at all, any melody note. So every melody note in the song is turned into what? A major chord with a melody line on top. So if the melody note is F, this is what we're going to do. We're going to play the F major chord with the F at the top. Then we drift these notes downwards. You get it? Now let's apply it to the song Hallelujah. You get it? Wow. Any song at all, it applies. So El Shaddai, for instance. Let's apply to it. Wow. Let's take another song, I Surrender. But hey, if you have found value in this so far, please click the like button and then subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss on future lessons like this. I spend a lot of time to put these lessons together, so a like button surely goes a long way to motivate me to create more content like this. Thank you so much. The key is to be able to play this in all 12 keys. So if your melody line or your melody note is found in any of the keys on the keyboard, you would be able to play them fluently. Now let's apply it to another real life song. Hallelujah. I never like to end a video without reminding you that every day is a blank canvas, an opportunity for you to learn, grow, and take one step closer into becoming the musician you are meant to be. I would love to hear your comments in the comment section. What do you think about Driftone chords? Keep pushing forward. I would love to hear from you in the comment section. So please leave a comment and then share your thoughts about this method. I'll be reading all the comments in the comment section. Alright, so until then, it's bye for now.